centering. In the last exercise, you learned to let go of what was standing in the way of the present moment. You now fine-tune things by drawing your energy back home to your center. Centering is a way of drawing yourself back to your physical and emotional center of balance, an area between your belly and your chest, so that you can come from a more stable place within yourself. Living life from your center makes it easier for you to tune in to your physical and emotional needs, which is essential for your health and well-being. Centering will help you to feel more autonomous and stable within yourself, and more able to maintain healthy personal boundaries. You will have more natural reserves of energy and vitality available to you, rather than draining outwards towards other people. Meditation on centering. Allow your eyes to comfortably close. And breathe into your center, the area between your belly and your heart. Draw yourself back into your center from in front of you. Draw yourself back in from behind you. Draw yourself back in from one side of you. Now the other. Draw yourself back in from above. And in from below. Breathe into your center. Take a moment or two to be in your center. Now let your awareness sense outwards and take in the room around you. Notice that the surface of your body forms a natural boundary between you and the space around you and the larger world outside. Breathe from your center. Notice what happens when you center yourself. Day-to-day awareness practice. Pause several times during your day and notice if you're living outside yourself. For instance, living through someone else, taking on their problems and pain as if they were your own, or doing things to please others rather than following what feels right for you. Notice anything else that drains your attention and energy. Draw yourself back to your center. Notice the difference. It's an especially useful exercise when dealing with difficult situations or codependent relationships, or if you have children whose needs you regularly put before your own.